Hello students, myself Kushali Sarputi. Again welcome to Shri Shakti Vidya Niketan English Medium School Malad online classes. Students, in our 5th standard subject year first chapter Motions of the Earth, we learned in previous lecture rotation of the Earth, also sunset and concept of sunrise. And also we learn about year. Tell me how many days in 1 year? Correct. 365 days. We learn all this part in previous lecture. Now students, in this lecture we have to learn about leap year. What is meaning of leap year? After how many years leap year becomes? So this part we will see in our this lecture. Okay. Look in your book. Students, now we have to learn new concept, a leap year. I explain this concept. You listen carefully. Okay, students. In the Gregorian calendar, what is mean of Gregorian calendar? Gregorian calendar means that calendar which used all over the old world. Students, in your home, you know about calendar? Okay, you all use calendar. Means that calendar which we use in daily life, or the calendar making with January, February, like that calendar is called the Gregorian calendar. Do you understand what is mean of Gregorian calendar? Okay. Now students, in Gregorian calendar, the year taken to have 365 days or 365 days. Now, what we learned that when Earth is moving around the Sun, it takes, we learn how many days or how many years? Correct, 1 year or 365 days. Means in Gregorian calendar, the year taken 365 days. Students, and that the revolution of Earth around the Sun takes 365 days and 6 hours. But for the purpose of calculation, we can't consider these 6 hours. Means total days of Earth's revolution is 365 days and 6 hours. But we consider these 6 years or these 6 hours? No. We consider only 365 days and not consider about that 6 hours. These 365 days make how many hours? 24 hours per day. Means one day contains 24 hours. That makes 24 hours for one day in every 4 years. So, to make up for this lost one day, the month of February in the Gregorian calendar has an extra day every 4th year. After how many years? After 4th years. Means in the Gregorian calendar has extra day every 4th year. That year is called leap year. Again listen, to make up for this lost one day, the month of February in the Gregorian calendar has an extra day every 4th year. That year is called a leap year. And students, it has 366 instead of 365 days. And February has 29 days instead of 28 days. Students, leap year comes once in 4 years. Means tell me, every year is leap year? No, leap year comes once in 4 years. And when year is leap year, at that time in February month has 29 days instead of 28 days. We already learned daytime and night time. Students, because of the Earth's rotation, we have day and night. But the length of the day and night is not always equal. Students, you know, means every day or every night is length of day and night is same? No. That means the daytime and the night time are not equal. Sometimes daytime is longer than night time, and sometimes night time is longer than daytime. This happens because of Earth's inclined axis. Inclined means you learn in previous lecture, and its revolution around the sun. Do you understand? Okay, let's learn about the summer and winter season. Let's learn about the summer and winter season. In the northern hemisphere, between 22 March and 23 September, these days are longer than the nights. Which northern hemisphere between 22 March and 23 September? That means the daytime is more than night time. Therefore, it is warming in northern hemisphere during this time. How? Warming. Okay. However, during the same period, that is 22 March to 23 September, in southern hemisphere, the opposite condition is happened. The nights are longer and the days are shorter. So the earth gets less heat in these parts, and therefore it is winter in the southern hemisphere. Now students, what happened after 23 September? From 23 September to next 22 March, the days are longer and the nights are shortened. Where? Is in the southern hemisphere. So it gets more heat and it is summer there. More heat, and therefore it is summer there. Whereas in the same period, which period? 23 September to 22 March, and in northern hemisphere it is nights that are longer, means days are shorter. The northern hemisphere gets less heat and it is less heat. Therefore, which season, students? Correct. Therefore, it is winter there. Note that there may be differences in these days due to the leap year. Students, you know, in our India, there are 3 seasons considered. Which seasons? Summer, rainy and winter to be the main seasons. But students, we also divide the year into 6 seasons. Without of that 3 main seasons. Which that 6 seasons? Namely, Vasant, Grishma, Varsha, Sharad, Hemant, and 6 numbers is Shishir. Which these 6 seasons, namely Vasant, Grishma, Varsha, Sharad, Hemant, and Shishir. Students, this cycle of these 6 seasons is called Riti Chakra. Do you understand? What is mean of Ritu Chakra? The cycle of 6 seasons Which 6 seasons? You learned already. This cycle is called Ritu Chakra. Many of our festivals are connected with the seasons. Many of songs, games are also related to the different seasons. Now the rotation of the earth gives rise to days and nights. The revolution of the earth and the inclination of its axis gives rise to the cycle of seasons. Students, do you understand about leap year and also our 6 seasons and definition of Ritu Chakra? Okay, now students, our remaining part, phases of the moon, we will learn in next lecture. Thank you.